Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your iPhone not installing app. So if you're facing this problem, if you're trying to install app, whether it's from your Safari browser or from your app store, it's not going to work, it's not going to download, or it basically downloads, but at the process of installing, it just doesn't install. So I'm going to be showing you how you guys can fix this problem. If you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, make sure you check your internet connection is stable or not, because sometimes due to slow internet connection as well, your app doesn't opens up perfectly. So sometimes due to slow internet connection, your app just not downloads. So in that case, what you can do is to check that out. You can go to your Safari browser and open any website you want. So I'm gonna open my random website over here, which you can dot. And if a website like simply opens up easily, then you're good to go. Like your internet connection is stable, but it takes like 5 or 6 minutes just to load a simple website, then it's a slow internet connection. Because if you go on App Store, basically every app you see over here, you can easily download it. If you can't download it, basically there's two options. One, your memory is full, like there's no space for that app to be downloaded on your phone. The other is a slow internet connection. Otherwise, every app from over here you can download it, whether it's paid or unpaid. For paid, you need to pay some money, otherwise that app is not going to download. All right, if you're using App Store, your internet connection could be an issue. But if you're still facing the problem with a stable internet connection, what you can do is switch off your iPhone and switch it on again. Sometimes simply restarting your iPhone should fix your problem. And remember this, if you're trying to download apps from your Safari browser by going to another website, then it's not going to install, because all of the app which is on your Safari browser, your iPhone doesn't allow that. Only a certified app which is certified by iPhone or like by Apple company can be downloaded on iPhone. If you do not know, iPhone is a really secure device. It is run by Apple Corporation, so anything which is not verified by Apple, you cannot use it on iPhone. Just like in Android, you cannot just download APK files and any app which you see on your Google Chrome, you cannot download it on your iPhone. You need to get special permission from Apple in order to use an app. So if you're trying to do it from like a Safari browser, then some app might download, some app might not. If it is not working, then basically that app cannot work on your iPhone. And from App Store, you can easily download any app, all right, without any problem. So hope I was able to fix your iPhone not installing apps problem. If I did, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel one to step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.